Take a ride in the 2013 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, remote power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.